Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Go Guitar. We have Wish Wednesday. Alright, so it's your day. You wish for songs. I'm here for you guys. This time I listened to Alexander Marhador or something like that. That's your name. You know who you are. I don't know who you are, but you know. Anyway, you wish for song and you wished for Toro and Moi's The View. Okay? Very easy to play, straightforward. Thank you for being here on this channel, Alexander. And I had Toro y Moi here on this channel before, like 4 or 5 times. If you're a fan of them, check out my other tutorials on songs. And now we're gonna focus on the view. So let's do that with the capo on first. Absolute best scenario for us. If you don't have any capo, then just follow along with the same chords. Skip the capo, you'll play a little darker. But that is the deal we have to deal with. So yeah, let's do the chords first. We're gonna start with B minor. That's a bar chord. So you place the index finger here on this 2nd fret, and you push down the first 5 strings. If you count from bottom up like this, then you need to add 4th on D, 4th G, and 3rd B. This will be only bar chord, so don't run away yet. Next chord will be E minor 7. Very simple. You just add on that 2nd fret A string. All other strings incorporated are open. So you're going to use all strings open. 2nd A, that's the only thing you need to push down here. That's the E minor 7. Next is the D. That goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And from that D, you're going to go to the D sus2 / F sharp, a long name for a very simple grip. You keep that 3rd fret B string with your ring finger, and you go up to this position, okay? That is the easiest transition from D to the D sus, okay? So index finger on 2nd fret E string, then you're going to play open A, open D, then mid finger on the 2nd G, then still ring finger on the 3rd B, and open E. Okay, so that's a D sus. Next is the G, and that will be 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And finally, we have the A, and that will be open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. All right, so there you have all the chords, and I count to 6 of them. All right, so how do we gonna handle the chords? Grab the first chord, B minor. 1 string round goes like this. So 1 down, a pause, and then up, down, up. Down, up, down, up. And to get the feeling for the strumming here, the rhythm, it goes like this. Okay, so let's learn the verse first. You're gonna play B minor 2 string rounds, and then E minor 2 string rounds. You're gonna play that 4 times back and forth of B minor 2, E minor 2, B2, E2, B2, E2, B2, E2. 4 times like that. So let's do a couple of rounds. Alright, so I played 2 rounds for you. You're going to double up for 4, and that is the first verse. Then 28 seconds in starts the first chorus, but I doubt it. I don't, but that's where we are in the lyrics. And you're going to start to play D, 1 string round, then the D sus 1, and G2. You're going to play that for 2 times. So again, D1, D sus 1, G2. Then the 3rd time, you're going to play D1, D sus 1, G1, and A1, and then you're gonna end with D4. So all that's talking, let's play instead. I'm gonna play meanwhile I'm speaking while I'm playing, so just follow along, starting with D1. D sus 1, G2. Again, D sus 1, G2. D sus, G, A, and D. 2, 3, and 4. Alright, so there you have the first chorus. Then starts everything for a second round, and it's just repetition. No changes. The only difference here is the last chord, D4. Instead of playing just 4, you're going to play D8. Okay? So D8 of that. And then comes what is the bridge slash instrumental slash outro parts. Okay? This is the end of the song. It's about 1 minute and 45 seconds in. What you're going to play here is B minor 2 and E minor 2 for 2 times. So B minor 2, E minor 2, B minor 2, E minor 2. We know that by now. And then you're going to play the final thing here, D1, D sus1, and G2. You're going to play that for the final 7 rounds. And that is some of a fading effect of that 7 rounds. Fade away with that D, D sus, and G. And that's, my friends, and especially you, Alexander, that is how you handle Toro y Moi's The View. All right, so this is a song that hasn't got almost any views on YouTube. Yeah, comparing to how big they are, Toro y Moi, and sometimes it's like that on Wish Wednesday. I don't care about how how great the song is. When you look at the views or so, it could be a very unfamous song nobody heard about. I just want to please you guys who are watching here on Goring Guitar. That is my main goal. So therefore, Alexander, you got this one, The View. Hope you enjoyed it, and all the Toro y Moi fans out there. And if you want to have your song for next time, maybe you want to perform something for a girlfriend, boyfriend, your mom, your children, for yourself, you always want to learn to play one specific song from a childhood or so, leave a comment. I read everything, and could be your song next time. So yeah, interact with me. See you soon, and play tuned.